Kolkata. It's only for 55 rupees, guys. That's crazy. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm in a place called Dalhousie, right? So as you can see, this very old church, right? It's called the St. Andrew's Church, right? Well, this is the heritage church of Kolkata, right? And yeah, so guys, basically today I'm gonna show you the cheapest street biryani that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? I believe you have seen biryani for 100, 200, 500, 1000, 5000, 10,000, 50,000, I don't know. But today guys, I'm gonna show you the most cheapest street biryani that you can find here in the street of Kolkata, right? It's only for 55 rupees. That's crazy. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. So let's go explore and talk to the people here and watch the vlog till the end. Let's go guys. And subscribe. Right guys, so here we are in a place called Dalhousie, right? And as you can see this, one brother here, he's sitting with a very big pot here, right? So he serves the most cheapest biryani that you can find here in the street of Kolkata, right? Hello Dada, good afternoon, you're fine? Great. There's another brother here, right? He's selling the same food. It's called the chicken biryani. Probably the most cheapest chicken biryani here in the street of Kolkata, right? So, hello Dada, good afternoon. Apni bhalo acho? You're fine? Okay, awesome.
প্যাকিং এ তো মনে হয় বেশি যাচ্ছে
এই রাইস লাগে আমি নষ্ট করে দিলাম না প্যাকিং
আমি আগে প্যাকিং করে নিয়ে গেছি
প্যাকিংও বেশি দিবে
ওই বলি প্যাকিং এ মালটা কিন্তু বেশি লাগে তোমার
Excuse me Dada, sorry to bother you. Good afternoon. How's the food brother? Both acha hai. The food is very nice. Okay brother, enjoy your lunch. Thank you. Look guys, and this brother serves the same biryani. It's called the chicken biryani, right? The cheapest chicken biryani here in the street of Kolkata, right? Is only for 55 rupees guys. That is like few cents. You can see that on the screen. That's how it is guys. He even gives a salad with it. Salad, right? So right now the time is about 12:30 is gonna be 1 in the afternoon, right? So if you don't want the chicken that's there with the biryani in this pot, right? So you can just order the rice and they have this chicken curry. As I said, right, you can order the rice only and enjoy this chicken curry with it. Okay brother, enjoy your lunch. Okay, great. It's just so cool, right, that they made a sink over here for you to wash hand, right? And they have this drum for you to get the water, right? It's just so unique guys. So, and they even have tools for you to sit there and just enjoy the biryani. That's how it is guys. So by like 1:30 or something, this place will be super crowded guys. So they just recently opened the shop, so that's how it is. So let's talk to this brother. Dada, what time you open the shop? Apni kotar samay dukan ta kholen? 11. Oh guys, they open the shop around 11 in the morning, right? And till what time brother? Jogon of the day shesh hoye jabe na. Okay guys, they open the shop at 11 in the morning, until the pots are empty. So Dada, কত টাইম অবধি এটা শেষ হয়ে যায়?
4টে 5টা।
4-5. Okay, guys. By 4-5 in the afternoon, this huge pot of biryani will finish, right? So that's how it is, guys. So what's the address, Dada, if you don't mind?
রাইডার্স বিল্ডিং।
Riders Building. Okay, guys. If you want to try this delicious biryani here in the street of Kolkata, right? You need to come to a place called Dalhousie. That's the main road there, right? This is the Writers Building. Oh, that's the Writers Building, guys. You know, this red building is called the Writers Building. So this shop is just opposite this Writers Building here, right? So you can come and try the, delicious, affordable biryani that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So that's how it is, guys. Guys, the biryani without the potato is tasteless for the people here in Kolkata, right? So people here in Kolkata, they love the biryani with the potato in it, right? So that's how it is, guys. Look. And this
সালাড দেবো তো?
looks delicious, right, guys? And this salad goes in.
ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে কি আমি 45 টাকা দিতে হবে। আর রাখাটা করে দেবেন। না তাইলে আপনিও কি করবেন? আমি তো যার জন্য বললাম চলে যাও।
Okay, brother. Thank you for your time. You have a good day, brother. Thank you. Take care, man. Okay, Dada. Thank you. Have a good day, man. Take care. Okay, guys. If you want to try this, come to this place called Writers Building and find these brothers here and try the delicious biryani. Take care, guys. And if you love biryani, comment and say I love biryani. Yahoo! Right, guys, so thank you for watching the vlog. It's your friend John. If you like this vlog, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. Be happy, keep smiling. See you soon. Take care. And guys, subscribe, please. It's free. Subscribe and watch my videos. I'll see you in my next vlog. Keep smiling, be happy. Peace out. If you want to take this as parcel, that's how he parcels it, right? In this paper box. That's how it is, guys.